All right, Zion here. So this is the second time we're looking at Google Jules. So just a reminder, last time we sent in the requirements over, but it was it. This is the only thing it created, and then login didn't work. We gave it one more try, and it still didn't work. So now that we have Claude, this is created with the same process, but with Claude 4. Um, and now this is much better. So now what we want to do is we want to base on this and then ask Jules to fix a bug rather than create everything, right? I um I found that with asynchronous tools, it's aimed at working on a production code, which basically everything is there. It just add or fix some issue in there. It they have better lucks. That goes the same with GitHub agent and Codex from OpenAI and hopefully Jules too. So we will then we'll clone this repository and we'll ask you to add a page. Okay. All right, so step one, we'll take the Claude 4 repository that was built by Claude 4, obviously, and then we'll fork this and then create from here, we'll call this Jules 2. Okay, so and once this is created, we're going to go back to Jules and see if we can remap this, right? So, all right. So from here, what we want is, so we'll ask it to implement the projects page based on this screen breakdown. Based on screen breakdown, right? So we'll say, please implement the project screen based on, let's give it to requirements documents slash screen breakdown. So let's see if it knows how to do that. Okay. All right. So it will. So we'll come back. Okay, so it came with the plan. Yeah, it looks fine. So even last time the plan looks fine. So we'll ask it to start working on it. Okay, we'll come back. All right, so it came back with the project's implementation ready for review. So we asked it to publish the branch. Right, okay, so now that is published, let's put it down. Right, so put it down. And from here, let's go in there. Then, all right, this will likely take a little bit. We'll come back. Okay, npm install is done. Let's run it. Boom, boom. So far, so good. Go in projects. All right. So, yeah, it's, well, there's some color issue, but you can see when the frame is there, we ask it to implement a page. It did a good job, right? So like all of these are as expected. So now all of these asynchronous call, they're meant for bug fixing or feature adding. So your frame should be there. The project should already be working, and then you add to it or change something. So yeah, so now Jules, right now, my comment is that it's a little slow, it's beta, but otherwise it does an okay job. If I were to choose between the two asynchronous, OpenAI Codex, GitHub Agent, GitHub Copilot Agent, and Jules, I'll pick GitHub Copilot Agent because it's most natural, because you're already in GitHub, right? Most of the time, we are working within GitHub, and within GitHub, you can issue a ticket, right? Let's pick up, right? So like you create issue, you assign to the agent worked on it, and then you look at the issue, you pull, like GitHub agent basically save one concept. You don't need to see something else. Jules and Codex is something else where you have to think about. Maybe now there's a chance that like from here I can issue more command, I can issue more prompts so that I can work on a particular issue within this branch until it's done. Then I look at it and I merge. Maybe that's better that way, because right now GitHub agent does not go back. If you have a problem, you can't reopen that. I'm sure down the road it will. But anyway, so that is a quick look at Jules. So yeah, until next time, we'll look at another tool. Thank you.